Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro drone bundle, a powerful tool for creators and professionals alike. We found this incredible product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro? It's a professional aerial camera designed for filmmakers and content creators who demand high-quality video performance. This drone is not just about flying, it's about elevating your visual storytelling to new heights. With its advanced features, the Mavic 4 Pro captures cinematic footage that boasts smooth stabilization, rich color depth, and sharp detail. Whether you're working on commercial projects, real estate filming, travel content, or creating high-quality social media videos, this drone delivers consistent image quality and reliable performance. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of the Mavic 4 Pro. One of the most impressive aspects is its long flight performance. This drone is engineered to stay airborne longer, allowing you to capture extensive scenes without the hassle of frequent landings. This extended airtime not only improves your workflow efficiency but also supports professional shoots where timing, lighting, and continuity are critical for success. Portability is another key selling point for the Mavic 4 Pro. Its compact and foldable design makes it easy to fit into backpacks and gear cases, making it ideal for creators on the go. Whether you're embarking on outdoor adventures or on-location shoots, this drone offers professional-grade performance without the bulk of traditional equipment. Quick setup and lightweight design mean you can get right to capturing stunning footage without any fuss. For those who may find complex camera movements challenging, the Mavic 4 Pro offers built-in intelligent flight modes. These modes automate intricate camera movements while ensuring stability and proper subject framing. Whether you need smooth tracking shots or dynamic reveal sequences, these features help you produce polished, professional-looking footage with minimal manual input. This is particularly beneficial for solo creators looking to enhance their aerial cinematography without sacrificing creative control. In summary, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro drone bundle is perfect for filmmakers, content creators, and outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize high-quality video and portability in their work. With its advanced features, extended flight times, and user-friendly intelligent modes, this drone is a fantastic addition to any creative toolkit. Thanks for watching.